If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update right now. And we are still not doing anything big, but keep in mind I don't think there's anything bad about the coin. It's pretty good to me, it's pretty amazing. Going back to history, this is your resistance right there, and this is for the first time you're breaking out of that resistance. Now one issue with this break is that, like, you didn't get that one huge, whenever you break out of something, you're supposed to make a very big green candle, and then you backtest things. You didn't actually break with like a very big volume or a force. Now let's actually see the volume before I talk too much. Yeah, there are some volume. You can see here there are actually some buyers stepping in. If you pay attention to this level right down over here, this is like for the first time you got some really nice, good, decent buyers, isn't it? And then they push it to the upside, and that's for the first time they actually took it way too much and they picked it up to the upside. So that's actually pretty good to see. And for me right now personally, I do see a lot of bullish cross happening all over the market, and you have the 10 EMA acting as support right now. So here we go. Okay, first 10 EMA, you have this one nice bullish cross right there. You went up, came down, backtest the 10, you went up, came down again, you bounced off the 10. So I think the best stop loss for me personally again remains at 20.32. If you do come down to 20.32, that's a different scenario. If you don't bounce off the 55 and you start to even lose the 55, go below the 20.32, and then you start to fade away from the support, which can turn into resistance in the future, then that's going to be a negative sign to me. Right now, there's nothing wrong with the coin, honestly. It actually looks pretty good, pretty amazing. And we do have a technical target. If everything goes okay, we can actually expect a $31 for Solana up there. So that's pretty much it for this update. Quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.